Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the pedal and the crank arm, and more importantly, how to get the wedge pin out of a Schwinn Airdyne. Quick nomenclature: this is your pedal. Screwed into the pedal is the crank arm. This long shaft that leads to the front handle is the connecting arm. And then you have the eccentric arm that is between the crank arm and the bottom bracket, which is the main bearing of the bike. But today we're going to take off this pedal. This one we are parting out. It's perfectly fine, but I know people need parts out in the world, so we're parting this old Schwinn Airdyne out. Perfectly usable and will give life to others. First thing you're going to want to do is to remove this 10mm nut, or at least loosen it. And I've already done that with just a simple socket wrench. And then you can either tap this wedge pin out by hitting where you loosen the nut with a rubber mallet. We'll try that first. Hasn't come out yet. That wedge pin can be in there pretty good. So I took the nut all the way off, and now I'm going to just use a fairly big punch, and I'm going to hit this with my mallet on the other end. This will just direct the force a little better. So what you're witnessing is not atypical. These things have been installed for years and years and years. Sometimes it takes a little force to get them out. So I'm putting my punch pin on there, my heavy duty punch pin, as well as a steel hammer now to try to get direct impact. And you saw it just let loose. Now we need to go find the punch pin. I'll be right back. And here it is. You can see that flat part right there. Let me get it to focus. That flat piece right there is why they call it a wedge pin. I believe I was calling it a punch pin just while I was doing it. And the reason it flew off is because I took off the nut at the end of it, which would keep it from flying off. So the good technique is to keep the nut on, just loosen it, hit it with a punch, and it'll just loosen, but the nut will stop it from flying off like that. So now you have your pedal off. That's how you remove the wedge pin off of a Schwinn Airdyne to get at your other parts. Thanks for watching.